What's going on, everybody? On today's episode of Every Make and Model, we're going to be checking out a brand you've probably never heard of, and it is making some waves. It's inTech RV. Today we're not only going to be checking out one, we're going to check out three of these guys. They're all travel trailers. They're all amazing units. Stick around to the end. We're going to show you the latest 2024 that's coming out and just hit the market on there. That's the OVR. But first we'll show you two brand new 2023s that did exceptionally well over last year, and I think they're still going to be making waves this year. Let's check them out. What's going on, guys? This is one of the models that I have been most excited, not models but brands that I've been most excited to check out is inTech RV, and this is the Terra Willow Rover, I should say. These things are so cool. They seem like they're miles ahead of the competition when it comes to design, flow, everything. You got your standard blackout shades. Look at this wraparound couch built in to the front of the cabin. You got stereo. Nice deep storage there. Stainless steel. You get your high point there. Convection out of a microwave. And then down here, a little bit of storage underneath the sink there. Controls. You get your TV in there for basically the living room area. Refrigerator. Check out the design of these bathrooms here. In this particular model, they've kept the toilet and sink on one side, shower on the other. I just love the material here on how they've done that. Your bedroom with a TV in here, nice barn style door on there. Next to each one of these guys, you're going to have a little storage on both sides. Your plug-ins, USB adapters, that's a nice little add-on there with a little cover over the top of it. And then a small drawer there. Thinking about the small details that go along with it. Then here you've got your hooks for a small wardrobe area there. Let's see, I haven't tested this yet, but let's check out, does this have any storage underneath? Yes, it does. Spring-loaded storage, nice little amount of storage underneath there. Some of your systems. Look at the way these things are styled. Doesn't that just look kind of futuristic? So again, that's the inTech Rover. And of course, you got your power tow on there. We're going to check out this inTech Soul Horizon Rover, which is going to be a little bit smaller. But again, look at the style on this thing. It's so cool. Big front mirror, or not mirror, but window on there. Again, that seemingly iconic style right from the right hand side as soon as you enter. Nice open space there. Super comfortable on these. And notice as soon as I walked in, the lights kicked on. That was actually really cool. Hey, how's it going? Bathroom on here. Again, that same styling. Super modern. Nice stainless steel sink. Under the bed area. And again, everything is controlled from right here, which is awesome on these units.
So again, that's the 2023, and even though we're running the 2024s, it's the 2023 inTech Soul Horizon and the 2023 Rover there. Even though they're running the 2024s, these are still so far ahead of the game that they're just amazing units. They have launched the 2024 model here, and this is the CVR. This is super cool. inTech OVR Expedition model. Check out the color on this thing. The exterior, you do have an exterior kitchen on all of these. That'll slide out. Nice magnetic bar at the top. No, don't have to worry about that. That's the Dometic. It'll freeze, it'll cool. Beautiful gas burner right there. Everything stays in nice and tight for you. Locks in. Let's check out the inside. This one, of course, it's a rear entry instead of a front entry, but again, you get that beautiful couch right off the rip. Plenty of space there. Of course, those tables can be removed on any of these models. TV up there. Once again, they do not spare on the accessories. This has got that stainless steel sink. Same thing on the bathroom. Beautiful styling. It's got the bathroom shower combo on this one once again. And then 2 twin beds on this one. So a little bit different format. Right in between those 2 beds. You have a little storage right there. Plug-ins. Space. You've got USB ports on both sides of that. And then a little extra storage below there. Awesome, awesome travel trailers from inTech RV. If y'all haven't researched this brand, you gotta check it out.